Hi, I'm Mosig and you're watching another episode of Artist Life. Today I want to invite you to come with me to my studio where I'm giving a live demonstration to Kathy, one of our students. So if you're ready, here we go. Alright, so now I'm doing the direct brush strokes that we were talking about, right? So that's really important, and when you block this in, your brush strokes are extremely loose. They're cross-hatching each other like that. Try to put differences, right? I think I'm going to add the clouds as I'm painting, but they're not going to be super light. If you can look at the left side of the screen right there. Okay, so now, I don't need to copy exactly. That's not why you want to do this. Don't copy exactly. Simplify it in your mind. If you notice these trees here, you don't have to go directly to your drawing. It's better to go, let's say, about right there, because when you add the tree, the sky needs to overlap it, right? So now, having fun with color is one of the most important things that you can do. Look at this, very loose. Block this in, okay? So leave a lot of white canvas showing through, because the white canvas, Kathy, is going to help you to apply other colors on top of each other. So let me show you what that means. Okay. So for example, I'm going with darker here, and go outside. See this? So go outside of your sky. Now I'm picking up some of the sky color, and what that is doing is it's graying down my orange. Okay, so right here, more yellow, away from that, because I don't want to mix those two together. So now with the yellow, I want to add that here for the highlights, because this has highlights. Okay, so right here, it's more yellow underneath. And that's going to be like a glowing effect. Okay, so right here, get more of that and just bring this in. Okay, so CAD Red is what I'm not using in this case. Okay, so I don't know if you remember the dabbing motion that you were doing with your flowers.
Yes.
And that's kind of like what I'm trying to mimic here.
Okay.
All right, so here, this is going to be a little on the gray side. So take this purple color right here. Look how beautiful that turns out. That is so cool. Okay, so you're going to use that.
As it comes in.
Yes, exactly, and overlap. So hold the brush this way.
So you didn't sort of outline, you stayed with the sky.
Yes.
You just are working your way down the painting.
That's what I'm doing in this case, because it's going to be easier for me to, keep control of everything. Here with a new brush, I want to go in and just kind of like soften, and I want to bring a little bit of this in, like so. So this is softening. And just like that. See with my brush stroke, I'm moving things around. Okay, so let's leave that there. We're almost ready for other details here. Okay, so I'm starting with the dark areas right here, because if you notice on the left side of the screen, this is all dark. Okay. And just kind of like bring this pick that up, just kind of like work inside, like right there. That's going to be the shadow. This is very simplified, okay? It's not detailed. Real fast, just do this motion here, okay? And then with your brush, just do this motion. If you want to create a softness, you just do it that way. Okay, and go here. I'm going to leave that alone for now, if that's okay. Let's go with these colors here, Kathy. That's one. Here's another one. Right? Here's another one. That. Let's take alizarin. I'm trying to not do cat, but cat in this case, if when you sit here and do your painting, you are welcome to use any color here. Just for me, I want to challenge myself with just these few colors. Okay, so let's take a little bit of this right here, a little darker, and kind of like goes behind. Okay, so pull with your, okay. Now, let's take the green that I have here, and that is going to give me dark shades. Look at that. See?
What are you doing?
Okay, I am softening.
Okay.
Just a little bit, because it's further back.
I like this. I think it's great.
It's extremely loose, very
that's
loose,
what I
right?
want.
Yeah? Okay,
Right.
good. So I'm adding clouds, and if you notice, look, I'm using the thick paint. Because this is wet onto wet, Kathy. Okay, so take more white and just okay, so right here, let's do the same thing. Okay. I'm not repainting the entire thing. Okay, I'm just painting just different areas. And if you just bring it like so, like here, look what's happening with the top of the trees. See that?
Yeah, they look real.
Yeah.
It looks.
And then if you bring some by mistake elsewhere, well, so be it. I mean, just blend that into the sky and it'll be fine.
Yeah.
Okay, so look what I'm doing with that. I'm just taking it and just applying. And then take the brush and just kind of like blend this in. And crosshatch when you blend it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so almost done with the sky. I want to put a little bit more white here, if that's okay. But it's not pure white, I guess. It's more like gray, which is really working well for me, you know? Okay,
That looks great.
Okay, so now let's just move on here, and then we're done.
Okay.
So dabbing motion, but not the entire
Sure.
thing though. Now, if you notice on yours, it's more golden here, but you know what? It's not about copying that. It's about creating on your
Yeah.
canvas. So I'm just
Right.
dabbing. Oops,
Yeah, I
let's
love
build it up.
your dark green.
Ah,
And the
here,
sky.
right?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
wouldn't touch that.
So hold the brush this way.
Yeah. Was that the fence?
That's going to be the sort of like the tree trunks
Oh,
there,
yeah, yeah.
kind of. But no,
Nice.
it's so strong. It is so strong. So you're going to take this and just kind of like dab it. If I want to redo this, which I do, I want to make it lighter.
So you changed the direction.
Exactly.
I love it.
Exactly. Okay, so here, bring this in, bring this down. That area will need to be a little bit looser. So I want to take this and just kind of like bring that over here. Okay, so much looser. So shadow goes here.
I love
Yeah.
energy like that.
Okay, so remember the color that I made, the black color right there, just pushes that back. Over here, within this area, which is dark, so I'm adding some dark tones there, and then I'm going to go over that. Okay, we're going to take this now and chop. Look how strong I'm kind of like with force, right? So take more white. The good thing is that you can use all these colors that I made for you. Please don't make anything go to waste. Here. And also right here, right? Okay. Just take that for now. And more. And that. Okay.
Fun.
Yes?
Yes.
What do you think? Well, thank you once again for watching this episode of Artist Life. If you enjoyed today's episode, go ahead and subscribe and turn on the notification, since we have a lot more color videos coming up. So until next time, happy painting. Bye.